that just lets you know that this area is an important area. You know what I'm saying? Look how hard it's reversing off of that area. Patience, timing, following your plan, emotional control, and execution. Just came back from getting the cut. Had to clean up a little bit before Christmas. Nigga, we made it. Nah, we had Popeyes though. But pretty soon, y'all gonna see me living a better part of life too. Y'all gonna see me enjoying my trading profits, taking trips.
Nigga, I'm dealing with problems, I gotta get through it. I'm hearing voices in my head, and I've been going through pain. I cannot believe all of the shit that you said. I make them sick from the way that I run up the money. They wish they could cut off my legs. All of my real niggas in the streets was starving. Gotta make sure that they fed. Remember days I was trapping apartments. Yeah, nigga gon' get it regardless. Mama, look at what your baby done started. Gotta get it, I'm going my hardest. When I pop in my shit and I ice.
Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button for me. I greatly appreciate it. And we about to get right into these charts. So I just analyzed my charts. Basically, we had resistance all up here. If you go to a higher time frame, you can see I got resistance zones all up here. Every time a zone gets broken, it gets deleted. But in this case, this actually turns into a buy zone now. But so coming to this session, I had my sell zone up here, buy zone down here. It chose to break up into this next resistance. So this normally would get deleted, but I'm pretty sure this just turned into support. Let me go to the 4 hour. Yeah, the 4 hour, you see we got 1, 2, 3 touches. So this just turned into support. So we make that zone green. And now we got resistance sitting all up here. So basically the play for today on oil, this is just trade through this window. And the more it break up, the bigger the window gonna get, so. And gold, same idea. We got our sell zone right here, buy zone here, playing this window right here. Unless it decides to break up. NASDAQ, we pretty much got this big ass. Okay, so NASDAQ, it had a zone. It had a resistance zone sitting right here, and now it's breaking above it. So now the window is pretty much in this whole area. So I'm just looking for something in there. On NASDAQ, and then YM is pretty much, okay, so YM, we got a couple gray areas. Gray areas is just areas like that's support zones or resistance zones, but you could trade through it because it's not really a strong support or a strong resistance, you feel me? So our buy zone really down here, sell zones, we got resistance zones all up here. And we got these 2 support zones right here. But if price like break through these zones and come down to my 61% fib, I'll take it down to this green zone. So it took a lot of years to master this analysis, y'all. So you know what I'm saying, if you don't understand, just bear with me. You know I'm saying, down the line, y'all understand it more. But yeah, so now we just wait. Honestly, the market's not looking that good, but if anything's set up, it'll probably be gold, honestly. But we're just gonna wait and see. So the 9:30 candle just broke through. And now we just on our way down to our second gray zone. If y'all remember, I showed y'all was a couple gray zones on this YM. It's actually 3 now. But remember I was saying that price would normally break through these zones and come down to this green zone down here. Feel me? So I'ma still draw them out and I'ma still take trades in between them, but if they break these gray zones, I'm definitely expecting to come down to this green zone. Because if you look at the overall range, you will see that price came all the way down here. You know what I'm saying? We tried to push up, then we looked like we rejected around the 50% fib, came a little lower, and then we broke straight up all the way up here. So now coming down, I'm expecting it to do the same thing it did this time, you know what I'm saying? Which makes all these zones pretty much invalid. I'm gonna still draw them out, but this is my actual green zone. And if you look at what the 5 minute doing, it broke through this gray zone. Now it's rejecting this gray zone to the T. You know what I'm saying? I would have took a trade if we broke this 61% fib. I would have, but didn't come all the way down here. I would have took if it would have pulled back like up to here, then I would have took it down there. But that's not what it did, you feel me? But yeah, that's basically I'm just trying to basically show y'all how I'm looking at the markets and how I'm analyzing the markets. If you confused now, you know what I'm saying, just lock in, you won't be confused soon. So as you can see, once again, we came down to the second gray zone, to the T once again, and it completely reversed back up. And that's why we draw out these gray zones, because price, at the end of the day, the market is unpredictable. So what a lot of people try to do is they try to predict this whole move just because it did it in the past, you feel me? But at any given moment, price could come off any one of these zones and reverse if it wants to, you feel me? So that's why we wait for the proper confirmations to tell us, like, okay, this is where we wanna go, this is where we wanna go. And that's where the 61 fib come in. So YM came up, grabbed liquidity again, and right now I'm waiting for it to break under the 61% fib. And if y'all pay attention, you see it came down directly to the 61% and just gave a big reversal. That just lets you know that this area is an important area. You know what I'm saying? Look how hard it's reversing off of that area. So once it break the area, that's important. You know what I'm saying? That's telling you, like, okay, we want to go down to this next zone. But in this case, it ain't break it. And a lot of times it'll still end up bouncing off of the demand zone and still coming down. But a lot of times it'll come here and completely reverse up too. So that's why we kind of stay out the setups that didn't break it. You know what I'm saying? But if this does break it, then we'll be taking the setup, simple as that. So this is on gold, and this is actually looking real good. But the only problem with this is in this zone up here that I drew out, we never grabbed no type of liquidity. We had liquidity sitting here. We never grabbed no liquidity in the zone. We grabbed this liquidity right here, but this is not, you know what I'm saying? This didn't tap into the zone, so I needed to grab liquidity inside the zone, and it never did that. So that's the reason I'm not taking this. Otherwise, my trade would definitely be honestly, it'll probably be right here and then line up with the 200 EMA. This would be my trade if this grabbed liquidity, but it didn't, so I'm not interested in this. Patience, timing, following your plan, emotional control, and execution. Them the 5 qualities you need to be a profitable trader. And honestly, the biggest one is probably emotional control. Because you could have a profitable trading strategy and your emotions could fuck you up. You know what I'm saying? You could have a winning trade and your emotions could cause you to close it early. Or you could win a 1-2 and your emotions cause you to close out a 1-1. You know what I'm saying? Stuff like that mess up a profitable trading strategy. So however your strategy is set out to be, you gotta execute it the exact same way you practice it when you back testing. You know what I'm saying? And once you learn how to do that consistently, then that's when it's your time. And this is why we follow our plan. If I'd have gotten this trade impulsively, I'd have got cooked. And I'm talking about cooked, like this shit just went crazy to the upside. You know what I'm saying? This is why we follow our plan. So today was a no trade day for me. I just don't really like how markets is moving. And it's also Christmas Eve, you know what I'm saying? I'm in good spirits, I'm in the holiday spirits. And taking a loss, it completely blow me, I'm not gonna lie. So tomorrow is Christmas. Gonna be taking Christmas off, obviously. So we back Thursday on the markets, locked in and ready. And for now, I'm about to go get my hair cut, because as y'all can see, I'm looking crazy. And then after I get my hair cut, we probably gonna go make us a couple dollars. You know what I'm saying? DoorDash, y'all already know. So I just came back from getting the cut. Had to clean up a little bit before Christmas, you know what I'm saying? Now, real quick, I'm about to just edit this video, and then I'm about to go DoorDash for a little bit, probably just do a couple of hours, nothing too crazy. But I was supposed to go DoorDash soon after I got the cut, but I didn't get a chance to finish the video, and I want to make sure I get the video out for y'all. So, yeah, that's what I'm on real quick. I'm at Taco Bell, about to pick up this first order. It's like 6 o'clock, started a little late. I got a little tired, a little lazy. Had to snap out that shit. Oh, this door locked. I gotta go around. I just left GameStop. I just got these 2 games. Just some little quick games for my little brother. He like 6. He got a PS4, so I got him just 2 little games. He could play. Nothing too crazy. It's currently 7:36, and I'm about to continue door dashing. I ordered for Salvatore's. I ain't gonna lie, I be forgetting about Salvatore. I gotta come grab a slice or 2 from him. This shit used to be the shit. One of the main reasons I'm doing these vlogs too is just so y'all can see the process. Y'all see me door dashing, making damn near bare minimum, working all these hours. But pretty soon y'all gonna see me living a better part of life too. Y'all gonna see me enjoying my trading profits, taking trips. And it's really for me too, so I could just go back and look at the times before and then compare them to where I'm gonna be at soon and just be like, damn, like, niggas really did it. You know what I'm saying? Real quick. It's another night of snow. It's another night of snow. Everybody out here doing their last minute Christmas shopping. Christmas running around. Tired. My girl talking about drinking tonight. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna try though. We gotta go have the Popeyes. Nigga, we made it. Nah, we had Popeyes though. I'm gonna pick up this order. I'm getting tired of this shit right here. But it's all about to pay off soon, so I can't trip. I might have waited a little bit though, cause I could just see people in there waiting. So I already know it's a wait, and I ain't about to go in there standing around looking stupid. So I'm about to wait a little bit, and then there's more people going in. This shit about to take forever. I'm already seeing it. Bro, funniest shit ever just happened, bro. I'm so mad I couldn't just record this shit, bro. So I'm at Popeyes or whatever. The Popeyes I just went to, it was in a hub. And this is why I don't even like door dashing in the hub, but this order was alright, so I'm like, fuck it. But so I guess it was a nigga in there, and I guess he was waiting for his food for like 20-30 minutes. So he get to arguing with the Popeyes employee, talking about how he about to come back there, smack the shit out of him, how he'll do this and that. And the third to the nigga, you know what I'm saying? And then the nigga just ended up crashing out. It was like a box full of like 10 wings sitting on the counter that the nigga was preparing. He done took the whole box. Then the nigga done went and grabbed like 4 DoorDash orders. I was just sitting there, putting them shits all in the bag. I had to hurry up and pick my shit up. Like, nah, nigga, this ain't that. I'm not about to take my shit. But that nigga took mad DoorDashes and just pilled, bro. Like, swear to God. I'm thinking about recording the whole time, but I'm literally standing right next to the nigga. You feel me? I ain't want to record in the nigga face and he started crashing out on me. So it was a female behind. It was another worker though that I was recording at the time. As soon as the nigga left, she talking about, yep, I'm about to post this right on my Facebook. I get paid for my content. And I couldn't do nothing but laugh, cause it's like, man, I'm trying to do the same shit on YouTube. I couldn't record though. But I had to at least tell y'all how the shit just happened. Chopped up that order. I gotta do one more now, cause it was 2 orders. Another one a little close though. I still can't get over how this nigga just crashed out in Popeyes though. That shit was just too funny, bro. I'm too mad I couldn't just record that. So I was gonna do this last McDonald's order, but this shit looking closed as hell. Yeah, that shit closed. Yeah, that shit over with. Yeah, I'm done, bro. It's Christmas Eve. All these places is closing early. There ain't even no money out here for real. I'm gone. I'm headed home, so I'm about to go ahead and end this vlog. It's currently 11:30 p.m. Christmas is in like 30 minutes. So I want to wish y'all a Merry Christmas. I hope y'all have a great holiday. We right back on the charts on the 26th. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to probably take tomorrow off. I ain't going to vlog. I'm going to just be with the family and just focus on that tomorrow. But the 26th, we will be back. So I'll see y'all then.